Okay, got one of a Behringer HD400 connected onto one of the outputs of the Dolby CP200 right channel. Presently monitoring all situations. Crossover on the high frequency set to off at the moment. So that's on the no, what I mean is the not the crossover, the PEQ, parametric EQ. I'll activate it, watch that. See how that frequency curve changes? Well, that's due to some of the filters that are on it, but that's no raw proper pink noise going in, so it's still, you know, whatever signal noise, which is probably some that's coming from the SCDS, because that's got its own noise. I'm not sure if the camera can pick up at this range, this distance. Not just the hiss, but there's a whining sound that typically the Sonys make. Just taking up the noise level and just really cranking the levels up to see how much noise there is. I'm going to switch this on and off, or rather go into the menu and just have a listen. If it's not too apparent, I can take it right, that's up at max, so it's up a little bit more. Should also hear the soft keys me. Anyway, I know it's there. I know what to listen for. I know what's there. I know it's there. And that's really taking the levels up a bit more. There's also all sorts of other signal noise there. Put a gator on it. You know, a gating circuit, and bam, you know. But you gotta have the soundtrack level to go above it, but it's going to drag in that noise once the soundtrack level goes over up at the threshold level, and then triggers the gate, goes through the gate. Along comes the noise, but let's fade that down. Fade that back down to normal. I'll mute that. Just going to double check everything. Turn that off. Yeah, I've still got that other noise there. That's not the CP200, so that could be coming from either the MDX or it's probably the SDDS. It's also a ground hum I can hear. That could be on the DCX, or I mean, the leads output from the DCX to the amplifier, they're balanced, so it's eluding me. Really got to turn the level up. Got to really crank up the levels, but either way it's there. I'll probably get around to that at some stage. But I have managed to clean up some of the noise on the CP200 with the audio transformer noise Behringer. Can't really hear much noise there from it now, and that noise is also just coming from the other, so I know what to ignore. Fade that level down. Oh, what else am I not here noticing? Hang on, let's just double check, see if it's there, because it might still be there. Might be something that I may not be able to cure, because it might have to be done on the power transformer. I'm listening as hard as I can. That gain over, that gain over, that gain over, start up. Turn that up a bit. Yeah, I can still hear that pump, pump, pop, 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 pop noise. But I seem to have suppressed some of the other noise. Okay, so mute that. CP200 off. Yeah, the hum will be not the CP200, be something else. I think maybe the DCX. If I turn the DCX off, you know, that's more or less almost the last part of the sound chain going out until it reaches the amp. You know, that's more or less the last part until I can't get the fucking words right because I haven't had any fucking sleep. That'd be the last link over it until it. Oh, fucking hell. I really got to get some fucking sleep. Anyway, amplifier be after that, so you know I could disconnect the lines leads on the amplifier, you know, and the amplifier is not going to be, you know, unless I really crank that up and then put an output through the THX, because it'd be connected up to the THX to see whether there'd be any sort of noise there. Okay, I'm looking at the trace there. I'm looking at the you know, so obviously I've got that 50 hertz there, that spike just there. Turn the level down on the MDX. Mute the DCX, and that 50 is still there, which is probably on the computer end. So that's something I can't really hear. That's something that's, you know, I have to monitor that sound noise or what, probably another way round. That's not I'm concerned about at the moment. I'm not concerned about that. That maybe, because obviously, but that hum could be on the Sony, So if I mute, so I've probably got to put another, you know, I'll probably have to get some more of those transfer, you know, practically, this is just ridiculously, you know, just to filter out hum and noise, because each sound part of the sound chain has got its own sort of little snags. Take that down. Okay. Yep. Wow, that's so cool. But seem to have gotten rid of the other noise on the. I'm just running tests, frequency tests, sine wave tests, to see if there's, see what the signal's like. Ooh. Yeah, there's the fundamental frequency, 40 Hz, down to 40 Hz. So okay, goes up to about there. Okay. So I'll do another video where I'm going to undo the disconnect the leads connected to the HD400. Got to use a bit of a combination to set it up at the moment, because I haven't got the proper connectors, and I've got to use other means to make a connection. So I'll check that out in the next.